So hello everyone, this is Raj and today we are solving the LeetCode question number 1221, split a string in a balanced string. So first of all, we'll see what the question says here. So it says that balanced strings are those that have an equal quantity of L and R characters. Given a balanced string S, split it into some number of strings such that each substring is balanced. Return the maximum number of balanced string you can obtain. So what the question wants here wants to say that there is a string S and it consists of two letters, that is L and R. And what we have to return here is that the maximum number of balanced strings you can obtain. So what is a balanced string? So first of all, we'll move to the example number one and see what the question wants to say here and see what a balanced string is. So if we move to the example number one, in which the string S has the value something like this, and it consists of letter R and L. So here in this input, the output is 4. So how the output is 4, you can see here that S can be split into R, L, RR, LL, RL, RL. Each substring contains same number of L and R. So we have to make some number of substrings which consist of equal number of L and R in that substring. So here we can see in the string we have the RL string, substring, in which the number of R and L is equal. Again, we can see from here the RRLL, the number of R and L is same, and again in this RL and this last RL, we can see that the number of R and L is same. So at last, we have to return the number of substrings which uh, contain the equal number of R and L. So how can we do it? So it's a kind of question in which we can assume it like something on and off type of question. So how will we proceed to this question ways? First of all, we'll take a variable balance which will maintain the balance of or which will keep the track of the balance of the substring. So first of all, what we'll do is we'll travel to the string s and increase the number of the variable balance by one if r appears in the string, and decrease its value by one if l appears in the string. So what it will do here is it will keep track the balance of the substring. If the number is zero, will know that the string is been balanced, and hence we'll take another variable of count that will just take the number of substrings that is been uh, produced by the input. So how can we do that? Let's proceed to the code. uh, First of all, we'll just declare two variables, that is int ls, which will maintain the maintain or keep the track of the balance, and again an integer, that is count, in which will return the number of substrings, total number of substrings that is being contained, that we can get by splitting the main string. So now we'll have a for loop. We- will take a for loop which will start with 0 and ends the string's length. So now what we'll do here is we'll take a character C, which will contain the each character of the string. So I will write SO5 here. So now every character of the string here is stored in the characters that is named as C, variable C. So now what we will do here is now we'll have a condition if C is equal to R, we'll just increase the value of balance by 1. Now, okay, in the else condition, we'll just do the opposite. If the string is L, as it contains only two characters, we'll write else. So we'll just do this, just subtract us 1 from the balance. And now at last we'll have a if loop that says if balance is equal to 0, we'll increase the value of count by 1. So yeah, that was the conditions we have to follow, and at last we'll just return the value of count. Now let's see. This is all the test cases, and yes, we can see it passes all the test cases. Now I'll submit the question, and yeah, that was all for this question. Thank you.